Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI Team. In today's video, we're diving into Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. This is an evolving technique in AI that enhances how language models retrieve and generate responses. We'll explore a powerful approach that improves upon standard RAG, leading to better performance and more accurate results compared to the basic or vanilla RAG setup. So, let's get started. The goal here is to demonstrate how a vanilla RAG setup can fall short and how we can improve it by adding better planning and deeper reasoning. To illustrate this, we'll simulate LLM reasoning vaguely similar to ChatGPT and DeepSeek. For simplicity, we'll stick to OpenAI's library, no LangChain, no vector database, so we can better understand what's happening under the hood. In the example, we have a document that provides advice on staying healthy, in good shape, and productive. It outlines, without explicitly stating it, the best practices throughout the day. Additionally, we have two other documents, one that discusses an entirely different topic, and another that also covers a different subject but mentions morning activities. These additional documents serve as control elements, ensuring that our RAG system does not mistakenly retrieve them instead of the relevant document. Let's see how well a vanilla RAG handles these documents. First, we import essential libraries. OpenAI, JSON, Google Colab. We load the OpenAI API key, then we define these helper functions. 1. Query chat function calls the ChatGPT API and returns the response. 2. Get embedding function computes and returns the embedding of a text. 3. Compute similarity metrics function measures cosine similarity between two embeddings. 4. Fetch similar docs function finds the most relevant documents based on a given threshold. By default, we put the score threshold to 0.55, below which we don't consider a document as a match. Next, we compute embeddings for our three documents and store them in a list called docs. Now, let's test the vanilla RAG. We ask these two questions. 1. What should I do to stay healthy and productive? 2. What are the best practices to stay healthy and productive? We run the queries, and we get no matching documents. That's surprising. The main document clearly talks about daily routines for health and productivity, yet the system doesn't retrieve it. This will clearly annoy any user asking those questions. What possible solutions do we have? Well, we can start by lowering the similarity score threshold, but that would bring in irrelevant documents, increasing costs and potentially reducing response accuracy. Clearly, we need a better approach. Let's check the advanced techniques for RAG. To improve our results, we introduce three key enhancements. 1. Generating FAQs, automatically creating a list of frequently asked questions related to the document. 2. Generating an overview, summarizing the document at a high level to capture its key ideas. 3. Query decomposition, breaking down complex user queries into smaller, more precise subqueries. The first two are related to document preprocessing. Since the FAQ and overview are generated only once per document, they provide valuable context without ongoing costs. Query decomposition. Instead of searching with a broad question, we split it into more specific subqueries. Each subquery is then matched against the documents that we now have, which are the original document, the generated FAQ, and the generated overview. Finally, we merge the relevant outcome resulting from this matching and send them to the LLM. Let's run the improved RAG. We first generate and store the document overview and its embedding. Then, we generate an FAQ list and store their embeddings as well. Now, we rerun our original questions, but this time, we break them into subqueries. We see several subqueries, each targeting a different aspect of the original question. Running these through the function fetch similar docs, we finally get hits, both in the FAQ and the original document. The same method works for our second question, proving that this approach significantly improves retrieval accuracy. Now, what about the cost? There's an upfront cost because the same document gets processed multiple times, once for the FAQ, once for the overview, and then for embedding. However, this is a one-time pre-processing cost per new document. Without this pre-processing, we'd face two costly alternatives: frustrated users who don't get relevant results, and lowering the threshold, which retrieves too many loosely related documents, driving up costs and reducing accuracy. If you have hundreds of users making thousands of queries daily, this inefficiency adds up fast. So, that's a smarter way to improve RAG. Don't you agree? In this video, we identified vanilla RAG's limitations, enhanced retrieval using FAQs, overviews, and query decomposition, balanced accuracy and cost-effectiveness. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye for now.